What's up, everybody? Kevin Davis here from paidtraffic.com, and in this video, I'm talking about options for third-party data targeting outside of Facebook, which is going away very soon. So today we're actually talking about Snapchat. So check out all the options that we have available for targeting on the Snapchat platform. Hey, everybody. So if you have been advertising on Facebook and using partner categories and the third-party data, the bad news is it's June and that information is going away. The good news is there are still networks out there that have this data that allow you to target on that data. And one of them that isn't being leveraged very much because it was very much a closed system before. You had to go through an agency to advertise on Snapchat before. But probably I think it's like in the last 6 months or so, they opened up their platform to be self-service. And I just happened across a guide of as far as the targeting today, and logged into my Snapchat account, which I haven't logged into probably for a year and a half, into the ad manager side of it. And lo and behold, I found all of the partner categories that I had over on Facebook, plus some bonus ones. So if you're out there targeting, let's say you're working with a dealership, car dealership, that targeting's there. If we look at advanced demographics, these are actually groupings that was available from the third-party providers, like in this case from Datalogix. The high household income, 250,000 plus, 100 to 250,000. College graduates, high net worth. Targeting married people, our favorite targeting of moms. So moms of grade school children, high school children, preschool children, new moms, new parents. Interesting one here that I'm probably going to try with some of our clients is small business decision makers and small business employees. Mainly the decision makers is what we're looking for there. If you're in the Spanish market, they have Spanish speakers. And of course, normal targeting we have for education, which would be the same like you have in Facebook, but in this case, it's actually from Experian data rather than self-reported on their profile. Household income, life events, so those that were married the last 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. New parent, 0 to 3. Movers, so people that recently moved. It could be that they moved in the last 6 months and they're probably renting now while they're looking for a property. These could be people that would be good people for a real estate agent. Let's see what else we have here. More mom targeting. Occupation, by what kind of area they're in, whether they're in the legal field or business and finance and management, sales, etc. So if you had some sales training, you could target these people. And that's about it. Presence of a child in different age ranges there. We had that similar data on Facebook as well. Then if we go into interests, even though those categories were there, there's actually more in here as well. So parts of these are data coming in from Snapchat data. So this grouping here is actually based on the Snapchat interest that they have. But as we scroll down, we'll actually see, and vegans and organic foodies are in there, if that's your market. There's actually some in here that is coming from Datalogix again. So these are all the retail shopping targeting that is going away in Facebook, is still available in Snapchat. The automotive shoppers, so like I said, if you're working with a dealer, if you're looking based on the type of vehicle that they're looking for, the full-size SUV, the sedans, hybrid buyers, or luxury sedan buyers, these are also good options for filtering for people that are interested in luxury vehicles. They possibly have a higher net worth as well. And you can see that the targeting's here based on the brand of the car, so Subaru, Nissan, Kia, etc. And then, like if you're in any kind of grocery shopping, the children's products, if you're in e-commerce and you have selling toys, you have the toy shoppers or the baby products for the mothers, eco-conscious shoppers, all the different retail ones in there, as well as these are interesting ones for selling car insurance, selling investments, selling mortgages. The people that have premium credit card, premium credit card holders are higher value people to target as well. And then you have your movers. So the new movers and pre-movers, these would be great for real estate and moving services and different things like that. Personal care shoppers, these would be like your cosmetics, your beauty products, grooming products for men's grooming, like Dollar Shave Club. And you have like your pet products, you have cat and dog owners. If you're advertising for a restaurant, you have restaurant goers, so casual diners, fast food. Not a lot of good targeting for the restaurant goers. You also have travelers, so if you're selling any kind of hotel reservations or different things like that, or travel services. And then you have ComScore data as far as television and movie viewers and what they like for that. We haven't used a lot of that type of targeting in the past, but this wasn't really available on Facebook. There wasn't ComScore data. This is another new one that I hadn't seen before. These are actually visitors to automotive dealers. So they're into Chevy dealers, people that visited Chevy dealers, Ford dealers, Honda dealers. So the area of targeting for Snapchat is even far greater than Facebook, and kind of spooky that they know that these people are going into a Nissan dealership. Same thing with your bank. So people that have been to a Bank of America location, a Chase location, Citibank location, TD Bank, or Wells Fargo location, they know that they've been there. And then dining establishments. So this gets more into the restaurants. If you are targeting people promoting a restaurant, this gives you some more information there. And then same type of thing, if you're selling concert tickets, people that have been to a concert venue, or gym membership, people that are going to a gym, they would show up in these audiences from Place IQ. Same thing for different retail type of shops. So department stores, people have been to Macy's, Sears, Kohl's, and JCPenney's. We never had any targeting like this at all. Grocery stores, let's see if they're general big box grocery stores. So you're not seeing Whole Foods in here, but you are seeing Super Value, Safeway, and Kroger stores. We have luxury stores there, pet stores. So people that are going into Petco or PetSmart, you'd be able to target them if you were selling pet products online. And toy stores and sports stores. And then travel venues, hotels, so different hotels as well. And then you could use the geo-targeting to narrow that down. So it's been pretty impressive targeting that is available. Then you have your normal operating system. Of course, Snapchat is all mobile ads, but you can also then target them based on the device mix also. So you can choose which platform, which device that you're actually targeting, and whether it's a cell phone or Wi-Fi connection. Those are the same things that were available before in Facebook. And then it pretty much looks the same type of thing. Ad formats, I think, are going to be a little bit different. I haven't set up an actual ad yet, but I wanted to share with you some of the targeting options that are available. One of the things I did see in here is you can drive out to a website, or you could do a preview video and then drive them to a long form video. Otherwise, you're looking at app-related promotions for the other three. So if you get a chance and you're missing the partner categories, check out Snapchat, and you can just log in with your normal Snapchat account if you have one, or set up a new one and go into their self-service Snapchat ads. Check it out.
Hey everybody, Kevin Davis here from PaidTraffic.com, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash the like button for us. That helps us out. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe up here. If you would like to see another video, I've picked one out that you might like over here as well. So check those out.